Pwede bang wala pa talaga ako, hindi pa ako ready. Siguro mamaya pa ako magiging ready.
Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I'll give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Put a little gold in the teeth and the fit good, so I took the doors out the deep. Okay, I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get to know you.
Yan.
Kaya ito. Uy!
Napabigay ni Idol.
Naiyak pa ako eh. Wala na talaga
Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Hey, girl, you got me. I'm singing. It's like, oh, that's alright. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know.
Magbasahin siya.
I search valleys and mountain tops, rolling hills and ticking clocks.
Mika, sobrang papasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil natupad na ang araw na pinapangarap nating dalawa.
Never thought love could be found.
Wala naman luha dyan.
Sa luha ba?
Ito yung luha. Ayan.
Passing by every sign, hoping one day I'd make you.
Kang, itong regalo ay sumisimbolo ng walang hanggang pasasalamat dahil tulad ng oras, ito ay walang katapusan. Hanggat nabubuhay ako, ibibigay ko sa'yo lahat ng pagmamahal.
Maraming salamat sa bigay mo sa akin, Kang. Pag-iingatan ko to.
To the man who never fails to support me, Ralph, Son, my love. Pangako kapag natatakot ka, hayaan mo ako, ang pag-ibig mo ang kumalma sa'yo.
Wherever you are, whenever you need me, just crawl in my arms, and I'll hold you beside me. I want my love to surround you. I want my love to surround you. And I'll
Takas naman ng gano'n.
Diba? Tinago-tago mo sa akin dahil.
Ito mo lang yun.
surround you.
I promise to growing, becoming the best version of myself. To love you with all my heart, forever. Sa hirap man o ginawa, asahan mong lagi akong nasa tabi mo.
I've never loved someone like you before, and I know I'll never love anything more. I give you my all, you can take what you need. I give you my lungs if you need it to breathe. You should know.
Thank you po pa sa laging paggabay po sa amin. Araw-araw niyo po kami ginagabayan. Wala. Kahit sama ng loob, wala po ako naramdaman sa inyo. Sobrang papasalamat po ako na kayo naging magulang ko. Sobrang saya ko po.
Cause I'll take the weight if it all gets too heavy and say you're not.
Congrats sa inyo. Hindi pa man tapos pero papakabait kayong dalawa palagi.
Nandito lang kami ng mama at papa mo na sumusuporta sa'yo.
Kapit-bahay ka lang namin.
Kapit-bahay. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Thank you pa.
Making you laugh till we're old and we're gray. You should know that I won't let go. I'll be a lie when you can't seem to find it. Lie on my shoulder when you feel like crying. You say you're not perfect, but there's no denying you've always been perfect for me.
Walang ibang maghahawak ng desisyon ng relationship sa inyong buhay pag-aasawa. Hindi lang isa. Sabi ng iba, dapat ang lalaki ang siya nagmamanage ng relationship. Hindi lang dapat ang lalaki. Dapat kayong mismong dalawa ang nag-iingat ng relasyon ninyo sa isa't isa.
To my love, Johnson, thank you for choosing me every day. I promise to always be there for you. I don't know how a Mika can deserve a Johnson, so thank you for marrying me today. Pangako, sa bawat ikaw, asahan mong meron ako.
Tayong dalawa nang magkampi ngayon. Asahan mo, mas mamahalin pa kita ng higit sa anumang bagay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Okay, Micaela Praguso Kawahe. Sa harapan ng Diyos at ng mga saksing naririto, tinatanggap mo ba si Johnson Miss Chola Aguila na maging iyong asawa at maging panghabang buhay na kasama?
Yes po, Pastor.
Naniniwala ako na God will provide and will guide us. Tayong dalawa ang magkakampi sa lahat ng bagay. Ngayon nakasal na tayo, asahan mo na mas mamahalin pa kita ng higit sa anumang bagay.
Thank you for making me the happiest since day one. I love you forever.